2,000 years later.
At the end of this video, you can see a screen like this, icon, your project, and if you click this, this is called as GUI, Advanced GUI. Do you like this project? You can see this, and this is a question. Save and exit. Okay, so now we are going to create a screen like that, and it contains like 120 lines of code. So the half code will be in the second part, maybe. Okay, so we need to begin our project. Okay, so first you have to type a code like this, and then here main window is equal to tkinter dot tk. Okay, so this replaces the name tkinter. Okay, main window replaces the name tkinter in itself, so you will understand when we type code, when we are going to type the code. So first we have to do main window dot main loop, so it will keep the project uh, for loop, like for duration, many longer time. If you close it, it will get closed, otherwise it won't work, the code won't work. So you have to be careful of that things. And title, oh my god, nah, title, wait there bro, guys. Okay, so we are back, and I did a mistake like that last time. So we have to do main window dot title. Our title will be uh, okay, our first GUI project. Okay, so if we run this, before we run this, I'm going to add one line. Don't run this. Print parentheses, welcome to our science quiz, and now we are going to run this. Okay, so we will get a screen like this because we haven't typed our main code. Now we will get our first UI project title of the screen, and we will generate our own icon on the screen. Okay, so now for now the icon will remain, this icon will remain as it is. We will create the inside things, background color, buttons, canvas frames, questions, titles, so etc. So now first thing we have to do is oh my god. Okay, so okay, I when I type delete key, it just, anyways, the first thing we have to do is main window dot configure of a, oh my god, okay, configure bg is equal to, this is it. Okay, so I'm going to be saying this is the hex value of the color, and if we run this, we will get our screen like this. This is the hex value of the color. You can search it on Google's hex color and go down, and just I will show you how we have to search like this hex color, and many things will appear. So this is the color picker, main hex color you have to choose. So if I want this color, this shade, so So there is a probably value of this shade, and it will appear like here. So you have to copy this value and paste in the that code. uh, so don't be aware how to do it. So okay, for now you've done this thing. Now we are going to do our importing our icon. Okay, so to import our icon we have to do icon is equal to photo. Oh my god, this is lagging. Photo image. Am I wrong somewhere? Wait, please. So to image, something is wrong. I will just click. Okay, so by mistakenly, oh, nah, bruh. Okay, so by mistakenly, I haven't imported some things from the. We have to import these two things for this project. Okay, photo image. Now it will work. Photo image dot file is equal to, so I'm going to be telling you that, see this, just where, yeah, this is our icon, and this, well, we will import this .png. Remember two things: this icon should be in your file of do any idea projects, then in your main project file, and it should be a png file or jpg and other files. It won't work otherwise. So we are importing this now. uh, First things we are going to do is now main window dot icon. Wait, oh my god, yeah, icon photo true slash icon. So what does this function does? Firstly, this imports the logo.png photo like from this, and this main window icon. This is very important. Okay, if we set it to true, then let's see. If we set it to true, then what will happen? Oh, maybe I've done some mistake. The code. Yeah. Now. Oh God, please work. Ah, why this isn't working? Anyways, so let's begin. Yeah. Now if we run this, yeah, we will get an icon. We will get an icon like this, and it's like you can. This is our X color icon. If we set this to false, then you should see what will happen. Rerun. Okay, it shows, still shows icon. Okay, so you can set it to true. Okay, you should set it to true, otherwise something bad will happen in your computer and you will say, hey, I'm responsible for that. You're responsible for that, I mean. So here is our first thing completed. Okay, so I've copied this code and paste here, as because I'm too much lazy to type the code. Bro, it will just take the long duration of the video. Like, duration of the video will be longer, need more editing. Okay, so let's see now it's working. You have to type this code. Oh no, okay. I need to do something about this. Yeah, guys, so I didn't realize this early. First, please type this first code. You have to type this code extra after this line, and copy this all the code, cut it and put it right down here. So that's a mistake the computer won't understand. Oh, wait, what? What? Okay, I need to see the code again. Maybe there's some kind of mistake that I have made because of that you can't. Okay. Okay guys, I've done a big mistake, that is, you can see clearly it's W capital and it's W small, so please get it the capital letters, because then it won't work. Yes guys, now I fixed the problem. All of this is fixed. Now let's run this, and this will be the end of our part 1. So now this should work. Yeah, so this is how we have created our first GUI project. Now first part 1, this was the part 1. Now we will create more advanced GUI project in the next parts, and we will do GUI project what we are starting. So please like this video. Our aim is 5 likes, and as soon as I till then, bye bye.